Hey, did you know that you can learn drawing many times faster, without wasting years of your life? Well, today I'm going to share with you that exact thing, how to learn much faster than others. You will be able to achieve amazing results, which some artists don't achieve even in 10 years. And you can do it just by following 3 repeatable steps and 1 simple secret rule. My name is DemiRaito and I've been working in game dev for over 5 years, and this is the method that has taken my skills up to a new level. Learning to draw often seems overwhelming. You need to learn perspective, light and shadow, color theory, anatomy, design, etc. So many things. When I started drawing, such amount of information drove me crazy. What do you think I did instead of learning? No, I tried to study, but it all came down to one problem. I did procrastinate, played games and watched YouTube. And I was wasted. Learning was going so slow, until I heard one story that forever changed my way of learning. Imagine 2 gamers playing the same game. At the beginning, each of them meets a big boss who kills every beginner. The player 1 dies very quickly and begins his journey through the story. The player 2 is a great adventurer. He knows that if he continues trying to kill this boss at the very beginning, he will get something very unique. And so, time after time, the player 2 is defeated. But each time the boss has less and less health. And finally, the boss was defeated. What did our hero get? Indeed, he got the most unique item in the whole game and a little experience. Now, player 2 can continue his journey. At this time, the player 1 completed the story and also defeated this boss. And how does this apply to learning? There is one important thing in this story that I didn't tell you. The unique item that the player 2 got can only be effectively used after completing the game. And here's what he really got: fatigue and wish to no longer playing. Studying, for example, anatomy, we can choose 2 paths. Like the player 1, take the most direct and obvious path. Or like the player 2, take the hard path with a big possible reward. Which one would you choose? Well, the first one, obviously, you would say. And that's a great answer, but the irony is that most people choose the second path, even without realizing it. But how to become that player 1? Now I will tell you how I did it. My learning process is based on 3 repeatable steps and 1 secret rule. I start with an analysis of the topic. I definitely divide a big task into small subtopics and look for the most relevant references. If I don't understand a small topic, I make studies. At this step, I take notes. And only now I practice using references as secondary information. I draw the object of study in a completely different form. I reinforcing what I have learned in the previous 2 stages. But all this is useless until you know one simple rule. I'm sharing my professional knowledge with you completely for free, but my best reward is your like. Thank you. What do you need to do exactly to speed up your learning in drawing? And my answer is, you need to do less. Sounds cool, right? But how? Here's a simple example. We are learning to draw hands anatomy. For this, we need to study the structure and learn to draw the form. Many artists fall into this trap and battle with the boss named finished drawing, instead of simply creating line art. They spend dozens of hours drawing, doing more than necessary, which only does harm. Instead of drawing a fully rendered piece, you can draw 10 rough sketches and you will get 10 times the benefit from it. Just don't do more than you need to absorb the material. That's the whole secret. Subscribe.